think the preparation for this season has been good. So it's been a step up from last season. I think because we as a team have gained more experience, and I think we've gotten better at preparing. Three toughest thing in training. I think the toughest trainings are during pre-season because there's a lot of running, and that's one of them. I think the second is the testings, and the third is the contact with the boys, because I think some contacts here are bigger than the ones we get in games. I think that's the third one. Not usually camping now, but back in the first year we were camping at Lennox. I think it's just different because it's a professional environment now, and you do what you have to do and prepare your body so you are right for the weekend, and not just going through the motions and trying to hype yourself up before the game. Kindi, I started at Del Cusha and then Nursery Baptist, and then class 2 to 8 at Holy Trinity Anglican School, then from 3 to 7 at Queen Victoria School. I think I started playing rugby back when I was a kid, back on the farm. I grew up on the farm, was the youngest, and I started playing rugby from there, trying to follow all my elder brothers and cousins, my uncles, trying to follow them to go play rugby. I think I just miss my family, because I grew up in an extended family, so used to being around my family, and now just missing my wife a lot. I think when we just all on the farm together, like all the extended family back, I like being, because I'm used to being with a lot of people, because I grew up back on the farm, like 20 people all in the same house, so I like it because it's noisy, everyone just enjoying everyone's company, and I think that's what I enjoy the most about when I'm back home with family. I think my mom is one, and the second is my wife, and got a baby boy on the way, so that's the biggest inspiration for me now to work hard. I'm looking forward to playing the Waratahs this week. We haven't beaten them, gotten close last year, but then we select off in the last 20, and I'm just looking forward to going in there and trying to get the win. I'm just going to do my part, and everybody's going to do their part, and hopefully we come out with the win this week. I don't know the singer, but I usually listen to the world's greatest. Favorite actor is Denzel Washington. I think Gifted Hands, because I like the scene when Ben Cousins, when he was a child, he almost stabbed the boy and the knife broke, and then he ran back to his room, took his Bible, and asked God to take away his anger. I think anything is possible, and that scene speaks a lot about that. I think might be Deadshot, because only headshots. Oh yeah, my break was back in COVID, still at home. I remember I was studying, still in USP, and doing online classes when I got the call from Simon Riley, and he asked me if I wanted to join. I saw the email. I don't think it took me 3 hours to sign that contract, so I just got it, just told my family, and I just signed it and sent it back. So I was excited about joining, because it was during COVID too, we had nothing to do, so yeah, I think I was the second signing, and I was looking forward to it, and I just got a break back in COVID. To all the fans out there, I know the weather is pouring down on us, but I know you wouldn't want to miss this first doubleheader in Fiji, and I look forward to seeing you all on Saturday at Churchill Park. Naka.